Let me start with the most basic and simplest electrical tester that is so easy a child can use it. That's right, this is the circuit analyzer outlet tester. No experience needed. You literally just stick this tester into an outlet, and with the light pattern, you instantly get a reading. You would check the pattern of the lights against the label sticker, and you will know for sure your outlet is installed correctly. While I've been conducting home inspections, I've literally seen dads give these outlet testers to children, have them run all over the house testing the outlets. These simple outlet testers should be in every home and every toolbox. The light pattern will inform you if the outlet has missing grounding, loose open neutral, loose power connection, reverse polarity, which is just black and white wires connected backwards, and a few other improper outlet wiring conditions. Now, if you're ready to upgrade to the next electrical tester too, I want you to purchase a non-contact voltage tester. This testing tool is so simple. However, it does require a bit of knowledge and experience. I want you to experiment with this tool first before putting it to the test. The problem arises with false positives and false negatives. You see, the way these voltage detectors work is they are attempting to detect the presence of live electrical voltage even without direct contact. That's right, just by pressing the button to activate the tester and placing it near electricity, it will alarm. However, if the wiring is too thick or is in conduit, it may not alert you and you may think the power is off to that circuit when it's actually a live circuit. I always test it with a live circuit electrical cord first to make sure it's operating properly, and then I use the voltage tester to check abandoned wiring and outlets and light fixtures before I touch them. So say you're turning off an electrical circuit to work on it, you can use the voltage tester first to check the power before you touch it and work on anything. So just experiment with it for a while, and before long you will become a pro and can add it to your toolbox. The third electrical tester I want you to purchase when you are ready for a more in-depth electrical investigation and problem solving is the digital multimeter. Check this thing out. This bad boy has a digital display and probes that you can check for AC voltages, resistances, temperatures, conductivity, and much more. Let me give you a use case. Say your house occasionally has flickering lights or other voltage drops. You can diagnose it yourself. You can take your multimeter probes and stick them into your wall outlet, then turn the operating dial to the type of voltage you want to measure. House residential voltages should be near 120 volts. With your multimeter, you can diagnose problems and figure out what is going on with your electrical system and connections. Then you can either fix them yourself or communicate the exact problem you're having to an electrician. If you purchase all of these electrical testers separately, they are not very expensive at all and give you much better peace of mind when working with electricity. However, many manufacturers offer them as a set of three included in just one package. Check out my video description for product links that I recommend. Now keep in mind, if you purchase anything, I do receive a small commission as an affiliate payment each month. It is an excellent way to support my channel. Do you own any of these electrical testers? And are you adding any new ones to your toolbox?